Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing about two trading apps. When selecting an online brokerage for trading and investing, understanding the key features and services of platforms like eToro and Robinhood is crucial. Here's a detailed comparison to help users make an informed decision. Account types. Both eToro and Robinhood offer straightforward account types designed to meet various investment needs. eToro primarily offers individual brokerage accounts. Users can also access a demo account to practice trading without real money. Robinhood offers individual brokerage accounts, cash management accounts, and cryptocurrency trading accounts. Trading platforms. Both brokers provide user-friendly trading platforms with features suited for different types of investors. eToro features a web-based platform and mobile app known for its social trading capabilities, where users can follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. Robinhood offers a streamlined web platform and mobile app designed for ease of use, providing real-time data, news, and a simple interface. Investment options. Both platforms offer a variety of investment choices. eToro allows trading in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Robinhood provides access to ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Research and education. Both platforms provide resources to help investors make informed decisions. eToro offers extensive research tools, including analyst ratings, market news, and social sentiment analysis. Robinhood provides basic research tools and market news. Customer service. Reliable customer support is vital for resolving issues and answering questions. eToro offers customer support via email and live chat. Robinhood provides support through in-app messaging and email. Mobile experience. A strong mobile app is crucial for trading on the go. eToro, the mobile app mirrors the web platform, offering full trading capabilities, social trading features, and real-time market data. Robinhood, the mobile app, is known for its user-friendly interface where it offers trading, real-time data, news, and account management features. Security and regulation. Security measures and regulatory compliance are important for user trust. eToro uses industry-standard security measures like SSL encryption and two-factor authentication. Robinhood employs strong security features, including encryption and two-factor authentication. Margin trading. For those interested in leveraging their investments, margin trading options are important. eToro offers margin trading with various leverage levels depending on the asset class. Robinhood provides margin trading through Robinhood Gold. Conclusion. Both eToro and Robinhood offer unique features tailored to different types of investors. eToro excels with its social trading capabilities and diverse investment options, making it ideal for those interested in following other traders and accessing international markets. Robinhood stands out for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading, appealing to beginners and those focused on U.S. markets. That's all for today. Like and subscribe for more content like this.